This new platform that I'm gonna be presenting to you today, it is 100% free and it is available worldwide. And at the very end of it, after you watch this video and follow every single step, you are going to get paid from $400 to up to $1,000 for just reading books online. It is true and it's going to last only 1 hour, so just make sure to stay tuned till the very end of this video so you can find out how for 1 hour you can read online books, you can record your voice and get paid the same amount that you may just be watching right over here. This is the amount of money that you will get just for reading one single book, so pay attention, stay tuned till the very end of with me so I can present you the platform and I can give you the right steps that you need to just watch or to just starting earning money online with the help of it. Don't forget that if you're liking what you're watching right now and you want to see more new ones coming up day by day, to give a big thumb up to the video below, to subscribe to the channel and to push the notifications on so at any time you can get notified and not miss out any of our future videos. The platform, it is called acx.com, and this kind of platform, I told you, it is available worldwide. It is 100% free and it's going to be totally it is totally legit and not a scam platform because, as you may see right over here, it is supported by some of the greatest platforms worldwide like Audible, Amazon and iTunes. What you're going to be doing here, guys, is that you will just record your voice and after that post it into this platform and you are going to get paid for doing so. This is a platform which will turn your book into audiobook and you are going to get paid per doing so. For sure, you can enter the type of the book that you would like to see here or the author name. They will find it and they are going to offer you into audiobook. But for sure, we're not here to pay anything to this platform. We're not here to buy anything into that. We're here just to getting paid for doing so, for just using this platform. So how it's going to work is that first of all, you are going to start working as a narrator, record your voice into this audiobooks by reading and getting paid by making your skills successful into this platform. Here are some of successful people using the platform and getting paid for just reading here. And as well, you are going to see that they are offering more than 2,000 titles or opportunities for auditions. They are offering 9,082 producers and more audiobooks books to share and to sell into Audible, Amazon and iTunes. Now, in order to start working as a narrator into the platform, for sure you will have to go to search option at the very end of it in the right corner of the platform, click into titles accepting auditions so you can get directed right over here where you can see the titles that match your search and you can just read these books and getting paid or posting there the audio that you have recorded and start working as a narrator here. Now, something that is important is the fact, guys, that they are offering more than 2,000 titles worldwide. So the opportunities to start making money online here are almost very unlimited or high. And after that, you can just make a filter of the profile. So you can choose between of the genre, you can choose between of the gender. So if you are a male, you can choose male. If you are a female, you can choose female, or you can just choose into any. After that, compensation, so you can choose between of the amount of money that the books are offered, so you can choose unspecified or other ones, or for sure you can just choose any. And even the title filter, you can make a filter of fictions, languages, accent, vocal style, voice age, project length and project status, so you can choose between of them and you can have more specified ideas of the books that you have to read with your voice and record it. For sure, you can search on the key search option right over here. But for the moment, I have just chosen this book right over here because I want to give you a comparison between of this book and the other one as well. So you can see even the payment, you can see the length of the platform or of the book, and so how much you are going to get paid for doing so and the changes between of them. So this book, it is called Of Blood and Magic and it's going to length 30.4 hours and it's going to get you paid royalty share. No worries, I'm going to be giving you the information about all of these. While this other one is going to pay you $400 up to $1,000 and the length of it is 0.1 hours and you are going to get paid for doing proofreading right over here. Here you will be able to see as well the requirement as a narrator and how he or she has to perform, and as well the title information and information about the book. And so the same thing is going to happen even with the other one. But why I'm talking about the comparison between of them, it is because of the fact or the project budget that they're offering. So here we have a royalty share, while into the other one we have an estimated we have a project budget with the amount of money specified. Why so? Because the platform is going to offer you 3 ways or getting paid online. So it is exclusive royalty, non-exclusive royalty, and your cost. So earn 40% of retail for sales you do into the platform that we talked before with the exclusive distribution. So they will offer you 40% of the amount of a book that is going to be shared. So this one right over here, it's getting paid $50, and you are going to get paid 40% of the $50 that this platform or this book is shared. And after that, you will have the non-exclusive royalty. So it's going to offer not 40% but 25% of the retail distribution right over here. And your cost, this platform or this option gives you to the producer the opportunity of getting paid the amount of money that the one is best posting the book or the producer is asking for. And you can make it work, and you can start earning money online. You can start earning a dime here today with 10 simple steps. It is for the very first of all, it is creating a profile into the platform. After that, you will upload your own sample by choosing between of the books that we talked before. After that, you will choose the way that you want to get paid, start completing or doing the audition, and accepting the offer. And what we are talking about these offers, it is because of the fact that a lot of platforms or a lot of businessmen are going to give you a lot of offers, and you will have to accept between of them so you can get paid for doing so. So when a rights holder makes you an offer, agree on delivery dates for the first 50 minutes of audio and the final audiobook and payment terms. After that, the sixth step is start recording. So you will record, edit, and upload a project that is a 15 minutes checkpoint of the audiobook, which will give the right holders an improvement or provide feedback of the book and the way that you have used or recorded it. For sure, you can use different microphones, you can use different devices to record. It is up to you, but it's important that there is no noise and you're just recording and reading the same thing that they have texted there. After that, work with other studios professionals. So to create a professional audiobook, you may want the guidance of other audiobook experts. So if you need to hire one or more, we have independent contract agent agreements you may use. So for sure, you can even search on YouTube how you can record more professionally and see some tutorials about it. Finish the recording, post it into the platform. After that, get paid for doing so, and for sure come back because you will have to get paid again and again per just reading these books. So if you enjoyed this and if you like the money that you got by doing all of these steps, you will have to come back so you can record more books and you can start getting paid more and more. Thank you for watching this video till the very end of it. See you on to the other ones, and don't forget to subscribe.